Hi, after testing many services from the best CRM software category, I've chosen the best one. I've been working with this system for over 7 years. Implementing CRM software is one of the best ways to improve customer relationships. In this short video, I'll tell you a few secrets that will be really useful for you. Let's not waste time and getting started.
In today's fast-paced and competitive business landscape, the ability to manage customer relationships effectively can determine the success or failure of a small enterprise. Bigin by Zoho CRM is a groundbreaking solution that combines user-friendliness with powerful features, making it the ideal platform for small businesses looking to streamline their operations and enhance customer interactions. Bigin is not just another CRM. It's a comprehensive tool specifically designed for small businesses. It helps you organize your workflows, track customer interactions, and ensure high productivity across your team. With Bigin, you can navigate the complexities of running a business without the associated stress, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, building lasting relationships with your customers. Bigin's interface is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for users of all experience levels to navigate. The clean layout helps you quickly find the features you need, enabling you to concentrate on driving sales rather than learning how to use the software. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a small team, you'll appreciate how quickly you can get started. One of the standout features of Bigin is its ability to create and customize sales pipelines. You can visualize the sales process, tracking each lead as it moves through various stages. This feature not only helps you keep an eye on potential customers, but also allows you to identify bottlenecks and optimize your sales strategy accordingly. Imagine having a clear view of your sales journey. Bigin makes this a reality. Automating routine tasks is essential for increasing productivity. With Bigin, you can set up automation for tasks like sending follow-up emails or scheduling reminders. This means your team can focus on building relationships with clients instead of getting bogged down by repetitive administrative tasks. For instance, after a sales call, an automatic follow-up email can be sent, ensuring no opportunity is lost. Bigin seamlessly integrates with popular applications like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and a range of other tools. This capability means you can manage emails, calendars, and documents from a single platform, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. For example, you can automatically sync your contacts from Gmail into Bigin, saving you time on data entry. Understanding your business performance is crucial. Bigin offers robust reporting and analytical tools that allow you to generate detailed reports on sales performance, customer interactions, and team productivity. These insights enable you to make informed decisions that drive your business forward. Imagine being able to see which marketing campaigns yield the best results and adjusting your strategy in real time. Tailor Bigin to fit your unique business needs by customizing modules. You can adjust fields, add new stages to your pipeline, or create specific categories for your contacts. This flexibility ensures that your CRM works the way you do, enhancing overall efficiency and effectiveness. For instance, if your business focuses on specific industries, you can customize the modules to reflect this, ensuring relevant information is always at your fingertips. In today's mobile world, staying connected is more important than ever. Bigin's mobile app allows you to manage customer relationships on the go. Access your CRM anytime, anywhere, ensuring that you never miss an opportunity to connect with a client. Whether you're meeting a client for coffee or traveling for business, you can update records and track interactions seamlessly. Protecting your data is paramount. Bigin comes equipped with advanced security measures to ensure that your sensitive information remains secure. With features like role-based access control and data encryption, you can have peace of mind knowing that your business data is well protected. With Bigin, you're not just purchasing software, you're gaining a partner. Their dedicated customer support team is available to assist you with any questions or issues that may arise, ensuring that you can get the most out of the platform. Whether you need help with setup or guidance on best practices, Bigin's support team is there for you. Choosing Bigin by Zoho CRM means gaining more than just a software solution. It means acquiring a partner committed to supporting your business at every stage of growth. Its unique features, combined with its user-friendly design and affordable pricing, make Bigin an indispensable tool for small businesses aiming for success. Getting started with Bigin is a breeze. You can sign up for a free trial that allows you to explore all its features without any commitment. This trial period is a fantastic opportunity to discover how Bigin can streamline your operations and enhance your customer interactions. Don't wait any longer. Experience the transformative power of Bigin today and see how it can benefit your business. In an era where success hinges on efficiency and customer satisfaction, Bigin by Zoho CRM stands out as your trusted ally. This solution will empower you to build lasting relationships with your customers, enhance team productivity, and grow alongside your business. Start your journey with Bigin today and unlock the full potential of your enterprise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on CRM solutions and business growth strategies. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait to share more valuable information with you. Hit that subscribe button and join our community for the latest tips and insights.